Hey, hello, Gigi Addison from Arkansas City. I'm here to work to Lexington you say thank you for this. I found one problem with this. You see that? This metal is down, but I found this problem. This noise is making me this. By this. During frozen day, il fait blablabla. C'est ça qui a causé. Is this cause the noise? You see that? But watch this. You see that? It's down, but I found this. And push this. Et voilà. And no making noise. I'm just saying outside today and not more making noise. It's perfect. Now it's perfect. No more noise. Okay? This turbine is very, very important for me. I'm so happy to have this. Thank you very much. Gigi Addison from Arkansas City. I'm Eric. See you. Goodbye. Next time I'm sending you the outer turbine, the broken turbine. Okay? Salut!